Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Have you ever wished you could build and manage WordPress data simply by talking to AI? That's now possible with MetaBox AI abilities. They enable AI agents to create and manage custom post types, taxonomies, custom fields, posts, and more, all through natural language. In this video, I'll show you how to use it. As you may know, to create an object, for example, a field group, you can use PHP code or through an intuitive interface provided by MB Builder. And from now on, you have one more way. Use an AI agent with the help of MetaBox abilities. Simply describe the field group you want in natural language. No code, no clicking. AI agents work with MetaBox to turn your intent into real WordPress actions. First of all, let me introduce what MetaBox AI abilities are. They provide a collection of capabilities that AI agents can use to interact with your WordPress site via the Abilities API, including creating, editing, and deleting custom post types, custom taxonomies, posts, terms, field groups, and field values. The AI agents I mentioned here can be OpenCode, Cursor, or any compatible AI assistants. For demonstration, I will use OpenCode throughout this guide. In the case that you use another tool, the prompts and outcome remain the same. Now, it's time to explore it. Normally, you need to go to the Post Type submenu here to create a new one. But today, simply go to your familiar AI tool and enter a simple prompt like this. I simply describe what I want. Within seconds, the event's post type is ready. Its name, icon, and enable abilities are exact. Do the same when you want to create a custom taxonomy. You also can assign it to a post type in the prompt. This is the result I have. You can create hundreds of posts with only one prompt. Let me show you. Here I ask the AI to create both posts and terms. And these are the generated terms. Also, the posts are created and assigned to the corresponding terms. You can edit all the data of the posts or terms, for example, the post status. To create a field group for the event post type, I enter this prompt as a demo. Tell the AI what fields you want or any essential settings. It works exactly. 2 fields and the field group location. Similar to other objects, you can also edit the field group. For instance, I add a new field. And it's here. This is the specific setting I request. Assuming that I use created posts, just ask for the details and fill in the custom fields. When we open one of the posts, all the custom fields are already filled in, even the special field like a map. In real cases, you can connect your AI agent to your own data sources. The AI can then retrieve, process, and populate your WordPress site with structured data through MetaBox. We've just walked through how to use AI agents to build and manage WordPress data with MetaBox. Give it a try today, and let us know what you think in the comments. If you run into any issues or have feedback, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll be happy to fix them as quickly as possible. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye!